What happens to your body when you run for 30 minutes every day? Running is an activity that many Americans consider simple, but the benefits this practice brings to your muscles and weight loss, in addition to helping your mental health, are profound and impressive and can leave you amazed at how beneficial it is for your health. That's why I'll tell you that the number one on this list, which no one talks about, can completely change your body. So stay until the end to not miss it. Therefore, please like this video and subscribe to our channel, Health in Focus, so you don't miss any videos. Number 7. Increased cardiovascular capacity. One of the first and most noticeable benefits of running is the increase in cardiovascular capacity that this activity provides to your body. By regularly practicing running, even if just for 30 minutes a day, you will begin to notice significant improvements in the functioning of your cardiovascular system. This happens because the heart becomes more efficient at pumping blood, which means it can transport a greater amount of oxygen and nutrients to the muscles, significantly aiding in muscle recovery after exercise. This benefit is not limited to performance during running, it also has a positive impact on your overall health. Strengthening the heart, in addition to improving blood circulation, contributes to lower blood pressure and the regulation of cholesterol levels. Studies show that running regularly can lead to a significant reduction in resting heart rate, which is a strong indicator that your heart is stronger and healthier. You start to feel a sense of well-being in your body, even when at rest, as a direct result of this cardiovascular strengthening. According to a study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, people who exercise regularly, like runners, show a reduction of up to 30% in cardiovascular mortality. This means that the consistent practice of running not only improves your ability to perform physical activities, but can also prolong your life by reducing the risk of heart disease. By adopting running as part of your routine, you are investing in a healthier heart and, consequently, a longer and higher quality life. Thus, running is not only an efficient way to stay fit, but also a powerful ally in promoting cardiovascular health, ensuring benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. Number 6. Calorie burning and weight loss. Without a doubt, running is one of the most effective ways to burn calories. On average, a 30-minute run can burn between 300 to 500 calories, depending on your weight, the intensity, and the speed at which you run. This impact on calorie expenditure makes running a great ally in weight loss and reducing body fat, especially if your goal is to lose weight more quickly. Running boosts your metabolism, which means your body continues to burn calories, even after you have finished exercising. Additionally, regular running helps maintain weight in the long term, preventing unwanted fat gain. For those struggling with their weight, incorporating running into a daily routine can be extremely beneficial. A study published in Obesity Reviews supports this idea, indicating that aerobic activities, such as running, are essential not only for weight management, but also for obesity prevention. This is because running helps control body fat levels and improves overall metabolic health. If you are looking for an efficient method to lose weight, putting on your running shoes and heading out for a run might be the ideal solution. Combining running with strength training and a well-balanced diet enhances results, allowing you to lose weight more quickly and healthily. In addition to burning calories, running contributes to muscle strengthening and improves physical endurance, positively impacting various areas of the body. By adopting this regular practice, you will not only notice a decrease in weight, but also an improvement in your energy, mood, and overall health. Remember that to achieve the best results, it is important to maintain consistency in your running practice and balance this activity with a nutrient-rich diet. This way, you will ensure that your body is receiving the necessary support to burn fat, gain lean muscle, and stay energized throughout the day. Number 5. Improvement in mental health. Running benefits not only the body, but also the mind, contributing to overall well-being. During a run, the body releases endorphins, known as the happiness hormones, which play a crucial role in reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. These natural substances provide a sense of well-being and tension relief, making you feel not only physically lighter, but also with a calmer and more balanced mind by the end of the run. Studies show that regular physical activity, such as running, can reduce the risk of depression by up to 30%. A study conducted in the United States revealed that, in some cases, running can even completely eliminate the risks of developing depression, especially in people who are in the early stages of the illness. This positive effect on mental health is one of the reasons why many people report a significant improvement in mood and mental clarity after a run. Running regularly can, therefore, be an excellent way to take care of your mental health, especially if you have been feeling mentally tired or overwhelmed by daily demands. Running allows for a temporary disconnection from everyday problems, while providing space for the mind to relax and recharge. Additionally, being in the outdoors during a run can amplify these benefits, offering a refreshing break for both the body and the mind. If you are going through moments of stress, anxiety, or simply want to improve your emotional well-being, incorporating running into your routine can be a powerful solution. By practicing it regularly, you will not only strengthen your body, but also create a protective shield against emotional wear and tear, promoting a healthier and more resilient mind. In this video, I will also show you one of the most surprising effects of running for 30 minutes every day that you shouldn't miss, as it can change your body in 2 weeks. Number 4. Muscle strengthening. Running is an excellent way to tone and strengthen muscles, especially those in the legs and abdomen, helping to define them. This physical activity intensely works muscle groups such as the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Additionally, running also activates the core muscles, which include the abdomen and back, promoting overall body strengthening. By incorporating running into your routine regularly, you not only tone these muscle groups, but also develop more defined musculature and improve the functional strength of your body. This means that running can enhance your performance in other physical activities, such as strength training at the gym. With stronger and well-conditioned muscles, you will have greater endurance and stability, which helps prevent injuries and improves your posture in daily life. In addition to toning the leg muscles, running also strengthens stabilizer muscles, which are essential for balance and coordination. This makes the strengthening holistic, benefiting not only aesthetics, but also the functionality of the body. Over time, you will notice that while running, your body becomes more agile and resilient, making it easier to perform more intense movements both in running and in other sports. If your goal is to develop more defined musculature and improve overall performance, running can be an excellent complement to your strength training. By combining running with weight training and stretching exercises, you will ensure a stronger, more balanced body prepared to face any physical challenge. Number 3. Detoxification of the body. When you start to sweat during running, your body initiates a natural process of releasing accumulated toxins. This detoxification process not only contributes to skin health, making it cleaner and more radiant, but also improves kidney function, aiding in the elimination of waste and unwanted substances. Over time, this constant purification directly reflects on your quality of life as your body begins to function more efficiently. Studies show that regular running can significantly improve kidney function, helping the kidneys filter and excrete substances more effectively. When you run, your body intensifies the process of eliminating toxins through sweat, allowing you to feel lighter and renewed. Additionally, this physical activity stimulates blood circulation, which facilitates the transport of nutrients and the removal of metabolic waste. You may have noticed how after a 30-minute run, your body feels more invigorated, as if it has undergone an internal renewal. This sensation of lightness and rejuvenation is one of the great benefits of running, a direct result of the detoxification process it promotes. By running regularly, you not only strengthen your muscles and improve your endurance, but also help your body stay clean from the inside, which is essential for long-term health. Therefore, if you are looking for a natural way to detoxify your body and improve your overall health, running can be an excellent ally. Over time, you will notice not only physical improvements, but also a sense of well-being and freshness that will accompany your daily life, resulting from a body functioning in harmony with the process of toxin elimination. Number 2. Immune system stimulation. When you run for 30 minutes daily, your body significantly strengthens the immune system. This happens because when running, the circulation of immune cells in the body improves, which helps increase the body's ability to fight diseases. Regular exercise, such as running, stimulates the production and activity of these cells, making the immune system more efficient at detecting and eliminating viruses and bacteria. This improvement in the immune system brings broad health benefits, reducing the risk of diseases and infections. Studies conducted in the United States show that people who engage in at least 10 minutes of running daily have a lower risk of developing colds and respiratory infections. This is due to the increased immune response that physical activity provides, creating a kind of natural protective shield for the body. Moreover, running helps control stress levels, which is crucial for maintaining a strong immune system. Chronic stress can weaken the body's defenses, making it more susceptible to illness. Regular running, on the other hand, helps reduce stress, promoting physical and mental balance, and aiding in keeping the immune system active and resilient. So think of running not just as a way to stay fit, but also as a natural defense against diseases. By incorporating running into your daily routine, you will be strengthening your internal defenses and promoting a healthier life, protected from common infections. Number 1. Increased flexibility. One of the most valuable benefits of running for 30 minutes daily is the improvement in flexibility, which directly impacts your quality of life. Running regularly can help improve the muscular and joint flexibility of the body, making it more agile and less prone to injuries. However, it is essential to always perform a good warm-up and stretching before running. These preparations are crucial to ensure that the muscles and joints are ready for exercise, maintaining their elasticity and preventing injuries. Warming up prepares the body, increases blood circulation, and raises the temperature of the muscles, making them more flexible and ready for movement. Studies show that flexibility plays a crucial role in athletic performance and injury prevention, and running is an excellent way to promote this flexibility. Additionally, research indicates that running for 30 minutes daily can triple muscular and joint flexibility, providing greater mobility and endurance. Therefore, by incorporating running into your routine, you not only improve your cardiovascular health and muscle strength, but also promote a more flexible body, prepared to face the challenges of daily life. The flexibility gained from regular running can also improve posture, reduce joint pain, and help in performing other physical activities more efficiently. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to improve your flexibility, while also increasing your physical endurance, a daily 30-minute run could be an excellent solution. In addition to helping keep the body moving, it promotes a more balanced overall health and resilience against injuries.